Click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any classes.
Hello, welcome to class. In this class, let us start discussing a new chapter in second year first unit, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Flowering plants belong to the group of plants known as Angiosperms. Angiosperms produces flower for the purpose of sexual reproduction. But human beings have exploited it for various purposes, like expressing various sorts of feelings. But the flower is produced by a plant for the purpose of sexual reproduction. And in sexual reproduction, there is an involvement of production of the gametes, which means flower is an organ for the production of gametes, particularly male gametes and the female gametes. Now let us understand how the flower is produced in a plant. Consider a apical bud. Consider it as apical bud of a plant. And here at the tip of the plant, there is presence of a meristematic tissues which are actively dividing. On this, there is an action of some hormones and enzymes. And because of action of these hormones or enzymes, it could be converted into a flower primordial or a leaf primordial, which means there may be production of flower in future or there may be production of leaf in future. So since we are discussing about the flower, action of these hormones and enzymes will convert it into a flower primordial, which means it has become flattened. The apical bud will become flattened, which in future act as a base of the flower called thalamus, and on which there is production of female reproductive structure, male reproductive structure, and sepals and petals. So this is how the flower is produced in a plant. And the flowers could be unisexual or bisexual, which means unisexual, which carries either stamen or pistil. Male reproductive part may be there or female reproductive part may be there. If there is presence of only stamen, if there is only presence of stamen, then it is called a staminate flower. Staminate. In short, we can define staminate flowers as unisexual male flowers. Unisexual male flowers are called staminate flowers. Likewise, in a unisexual flower, if there is only presence of pistil, the female reproductive structure, then it is called pistillate. That is unisexual female flowers are called pistillate flowers. And there is other condition where both male and female reproductive structures are present in a same flower. The condition is called bisexual, where the stamen and pistil are present in a same flower. They are called bisexual flower. Now, let us take a discussion of a typical bisexual angiospermic flower. Let us discuss what are the parts of this. In a typical bisexual flower, there is presence of 4 whorls. 4 whorls. And they are androecium, gynoecium, calyx and corolla are the 4 whorls of a bisexual flower, and they are classified into 2 types, such as androecium and gynoecium are called essential whorls, whereas calyx and corolla are called non-essential whorls. Essentiality and non-essentiality will depends on their participation in gamete formation. Androecium and gynoecium are called essential whorls because they are involved in production of male and female gametes. Male and female gametes are being produced, hence they are called essential whorls. That is, they take part directly in the process of sexual reproduction. And calyx and corolla are called non-essential whorls, which means that it doesn't mean that they are not involved in sexual reproduction. Directly they are not involved, but indirectly they help in the process of pollination. For example, corolla, the petals, will help in attraction of insects for the purpose of pollination. But even they are not directly involved in gamete formation, they are considered as non-essential whorls. Now let us understand how these 4 whorls of a flower are organized in a flower.